Hello friends, this is Bhaskar. Today I am going to show you how to install the MongoDB on Windows 8.1. So first we just to install this MongoDB on Windows 8.1. For that I have to download this. Yes, this is the download section. And now you can choose if you are using Windows you can choose this version, if you are using Linux you can choose this one. So whatever it is, since I am using Windows 8.1 64-bit, I'm going to download this version. So this is a download option. Since I already downloaded and it's stored in my machine, I don't want to download it again. So I'm going to directly install this my machine. Yes, now it's there. This installation procedure takes 1 or 2 minutes. You just click this option, that is a complete installation. Don't choose this one, choose this complete installation. You just click yes. Yes, it's finished. You just click the finish button. Okay, so you just go to that C colon, that is my computer, C colon, and you know what, go to program files, and yes, look at this MongoDB, it's there. So MongoDB server inside at 3.0 and inside that bin, and you can see that plenty of executable files are there. So now what we are going to do is you just copy this path, because we are going to create a directory. Just create a command prompt, open the command prompt, you just paste that path here. Yes, now the directory is changed to this path. Yes, now you just type in MongoD. Yes, actually here you can see that C colon dot db dot not found terminatings for. So what you should do is you're just going to create one directory. Now look at this. Yes, look at this here, that is db. Okay, now you just run this one, MongoD. Yes, and now look at this, that my machine waiting for the connections on port 27017. I hope you could see this one, 27017. So you just I think it's successfully installed on that machine. So next step what you are going to do is you just we are going to set the environmental path. You have to set the path for this database. For that you have go to the properties, and you can go to the advanced settings. In the advanced settings you can choose this environmental variables. Since I already set the path here, it's there already in my machine. In case if you have not set the path, you just click that new button, and here you just type path, and you just simply copy this name, that is C program files MongoDB bin, something like that. Since I already created, I don't want to create it again. So okay, once you finish this, again you just open this command prompt. See, now you can create Mongo. That's all. So that MongoDB version 3.0.6 has been successfully installed on your machines. Now, once that MongoDB, that the Mongo database installed on your machine, the next thing what you have to do is you have to create a database. So you can do it in two ways. The first way is you can use the command prompt itself to create a database, which is a little bit difficult. It's not a little bit, it's some more complicated. So in order to reduce the complexity, I have choose one GUI tool called RoboMongo. So just I will show you. Yes, it's working now. You just download that RoboMongo from here. Yes. Here you can see there are plenty of options like download for Mac OS X and download for Windows. You can choose this one. I have already installed on my machine. You just download this setup. So the setup look like this. This is a RoboMongo. So and then you can click next and it will be automatically installed on your machine. So once you install that machine, you just open this. Look at this. This is icon of the RoboMongo. And make sure that when you open that RoboMongo, the database, don't close this to command prompt. It should be there. So this is already I created this one. So I just want to show you from the very beginning. So now look at this. This is how it looks when you open this RoboMongo. So here you can click this create button, and you know what, you have connection, authentication, advanced, SSL, SSH, blah 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 blah. Okay, no problem. We are going to create one connection to the database. So we just want to give some name. For example, I said a Bhaskar, and look at this 27017. This is the port that we are going to connect. Now look at this. I think I already told you, right? Look at this one, 27017. Look at this here, 27017. Okay, it's there. Okay, so it's saved. Now I'm going to connect this to my MongoDB. Yeah, okay, it's connected now, and I'm going to create a database. So database name is like phone. I'm just saying for an example. Yeah, now the database created. Here I'm going to create a collection. So as you know, if you look at that NoSQL, it's a full of collections, right? So I'm going to create a collection name, and for collection name I'm going to create some brand. It's okay. So in the brand I'm going to insert some documents. So like company Samsung, model S5 something, S6 or S5, whatever it is. Okay, so I'm just showing some example. Okay, so this is how you are going to write the query. Just click this validate button. Yes, it's valid, and yes, that's all. So just click at this. You know what, the database is connected. You know what, look at this, this is an ID. It's a Samsung. This is a model. You can create a plenty of documents here. You can insert a plenty of documents here. You know what, you can add number of fields here also. So it depends upon the size of the project that we are going to do. So this is overall concept of NoSQL, that means MongoDB. So we are going to use RoboMongo to insert, delete, or what are the operations you are going to do in MongoDB. We can use this RoboMongo GUI. Yeah, you have another option such as you can create a database in that command prompt itself, but as I already told, no, it takes plenty of times, and it will be a little bit complicated. Why? Because uh, since it is a CLI, that is a command line interface, it will be very difficult. So in order to reduce the complexity, I chose this RoboMongo. I hope you will understand something about this. In case if you have any issues regarding installing MongoDB as well as RoboMongo, you just contact me. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and thank you very much.